Okay, guys, welcome to day two of our 30 days teaching you how to make money using the Amazon KDP platform, right? And please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section because I'll be checking on a daily basis. Immediately I upload my videos, I'll make sure I check. So maybe I'll be able to respond to the question at the same time. If possible, record the content because you might call the content what is teaching for me. Record the teaching to us, or maybe after the 30 days to make it clear for everybody. So, quick one. Today I'll be dealing with what's it called? Content guidelines. See, why this is beautiful for anybody watching, why this makes sense for anybody watching. There are some mistakes which myself and most of us, I'll say like 80% of us that started Amazon KDP back then, we did, which I'll try to highlight it first. And one of the greatest mistakes is, which Nigerians in general we hardly do is, we normally not hardly do is understanding the content guideline. If you notice, if you are about installing an app, once you see the agreement and condition, we just click OK and go. We don't even bother reading. Same is applicable to most businesses in this online space. We hardly read the content guideline. We hardly read them. I don't know why we skip our mind. Where our mind normally goes is just want to make the money. No, they see the money sharp, sharp. But guess what? You're not rushing. That's why I'm giving you a 30 days teaching to understand. So, first thing you need to do is pick up your phone or pick up your laptop. Now, as I'm speaking, open your browser, right? Now go to your browser and type Amazon KDP content guideline. I repeat, here, excuse me, I'll write it here when I'm editing this video. I don't like editing the video, but for this sake, I'll edit this video. Amazon KDP content guideline. Just Google it. Once you Google it, I need to record this thing so that you guys will understand. So that I'll show it. Now, record. So, Amazon KDP content guideline. I'll click on it. Bam. It will show you this way. Though you are seeing it, I don't need to. So you click on it. So once you click on it, you take your time to read and understand, as in read, digest, reread, digest. There's a reason why I'm bringing this up first, because when you get into the creating of book, writing of your books, you might even not even cross your mind to read content guide. And guess what, guys? So far you want to start this business, right? Amazon do change their content guide. Though once you already start, definitely you understand how it works. You might find yourself in one or two groups about Amazon KDP. So when anything is trending relating to Amazon KDP, you will hear from other people, right? Example of places to get the information is from my WhatsApp status. On my WhatsApp status, I educate people when it comes out to make money online. And for people that are already into Amazon KDP, once there's any tips, once there's any updates, I share it with people, right? So once you get to this screen, as you can see here, my advice for you is to read, digest, read, reread, and digest. But to make it easier, right? What I normally do, normally we are Africans. This English is now our mother language. What I do is I highlight it. As you can see, I highlight everything. I highlight everything this way. Yeah. I highlight it, I copy it, then I go to either Gemini by Google, Meta by what's it called? Meta by Facebook or WhatsApp, or I go to ChatGPT. But to make it or Gemini, any AI platform, just tell the AI platform. Let me use here I'll be using Claude AI because that's the one I have access to. I've not logged in my ChatGPT on my phone, right? I'm supposed to log that in before I even start this video. But let's use Claude AI. I'll say Claude. I'll tell Claude this way. I say, hi, this one's already logged on my phone, right? If you want to now to sign up for Claude, you can check videos on YouTube or anywhere, or sign up on ChatGPT or any Meta AI or whatever. Check. Though we're still talking about AI pretty much later, but for the sake of this video, to break this information down for everybody, I advise you to use any of the AI and tell the AI that, hi guy, you tell the AI that, hi, or so anything in your head. You say, hi, I am Nigerian, right? And I will love you to break 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 down this information for me in a way in ways I can understand. I fit put am pidgin like, I don't mind if you follow me talk for pidgin English or pidgin pidgin English, my guy. Pidgin English, my guy. Right? Then I say na him dey here below. This is not a template, right? This is how I'm relating with AI. Right? Just click. You paste it, then you click. I've pasted, I click send. So it will analyze it. Oh, I have a call. This guy no disturb me. It will analyze all this thing, all the information for you. As you can see now, you can say, my guy, I go break them down for you where make it clear for your head. You get waiting this thing they talk about be say now the guideline wey Amazon dey use decide which book go sell for their platform. E be like the rule of game. So this thing will explain. Aside from the fact that you'll be reading in English very well for yourself, right? This thing will take time, break the information down to your understanding so that you understand. Because if you don't understand this content guideline, when you are writing your book, you make some silly mistakes that me and other thousand of us that started Amazon KD back then we did, which make our account got terminated at the long run. Here I'm teaching you, I'm opening your eyes to stuff that can, as in, cause trouble for you when you start this business, and that can make you want to like stop the business at the long run. But if you listen, you follow my instruction as you are going on a daily basis, the percentage for you to get your account blocked or terminated will be low compared to you just come, don't follow instruction and blah blah blah. Do you get? Is as simple as that. So the assignment for you guys is make sure you read and understand what this content guideline is all about. And once you are done, please come back to this video anywhere you are watching, either any of the social media platform, and type in the comment section, I'm done with the content guideline. Thank you, Nelcon. That's all I want to get from you guys. So once you are done reading, like I said, I'll be expecting you to come and drop the comment, and we will. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop in the comment section, guys. See you tomorrow, which is the third day in the next video, and bye for now. Ireo Asheshe.